Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name's Kat, and if you're not, welcome back. So if you can tell by the title, it is another unboxing. Okay, so if you guys remember, a little story time. If you guys remember, I unboxed the Verso card holder. As much as I love the item, I had some quality issues with it. So I'll insert some photos somewhere here as to what I'm talking about. So I mentioned that to my CA and she told me to bring it in, have a look at it. And pretty much she told me that I could exchange it or get something else equivalent to the amount. So I went in today and I got something else. I got two things actually. It took me quite a while to figure out what I wanted to get. So let's get on to the unboxing. Here is the bag. You guys might know what they are looking at the boxes. Okay, so starting off with this one. You guys probably already know what it is looking at the box. Any guesses? No, because I had never really spoke about this item on my channel. I've always loved it. I never really considered buying it because of the cost of it as to what it is, if that makes sense. So let's go ahead and unbox it. My CA always wraps it. I don't know if she watches this video, so hi Hitami if you're watching. I love you. Anyway, so moving on to the unboxing. And yes, they are some sunglasses. So here is the booklet. Is a gorgeous box. To reveal the sunglasses. Know what they are. Okay, I've always loved these sunnies. Here they are. So these are the Louis Vuitton Grande Bellezza sunglasses. That's how they look. They are gorgeous. Like they fit my face. I have the Asian nose. They cater these sunglasses to Eastern and Western size like faces, I suppose. So I have the Eastern one because I have more flatter and more wider face. The Western one I guess is catered to like a more slender, more taller nose bridge, if that makes sense. But that's what they look like. Yeah, I was in the store for probably like 45, almost an hour, deciding on what I wanted to get because I had a credit of $835. These sunglasses retail here in Australia for I believe $745, and it has Louis Vuitton just there. Same on the other side as well. That is the code. Not sure if that's in focus. There you go. And the other side just says made in Italy, Louis Vuitton. So these are really, really, really gorgeous. They're very flattering on the face, especially my face is really wide, and I just feel like they really suit me. But it took me a while to decide on what I wanted to get, and so these are part of the credit that I got with them. So that's the first item. So after buying those sunnies, I have like $90 left, and I just put it towards this item. So that's the gorgeous wrapping. She always does an amazing job at wrapping. That's that. You guys probably know what it is. but I figured since I'm returning a wallet card holder that I would still get this item. You guys can see, there we go, to reveal. Yep, the card holder in the reverse monogram. This is a very, very, very popular item. It's absolutely gorgeous. The collar is absolutely stunning. So it features 1, 2, 3 card slots. And I just have my little textile code right there and there. So I figured since I'm returning a card holder, I might as well get something to hold my cards in as well. I'm currently using my multi-pochette, and as you guys know, they're separate little pouches. So you pretty much need to downsize and put things in certain compartments kind of thing. So I currently have my car keys, house key and gym pass attached to my clay, and inside I have my license, some debit cards and credit cards, and some loyalty cards and gift cards that I have. So I figured I'll use this mostly for my keys, and I'll keep my license and 1 card in here. Wherever I go, I have at least something to pay with. And then I'll put my other cards, like my debits and credit cards, in this one too. So at least they're both slim and they can fit nicely in my multi-pochette, or like my Nano Speedy, my Palm Springs Mini. I have a lot of mini bags, so nice and slim card holders will really, really help kind of downsize, so I can put more in the bag, if that makes sense. So I can put like my new sunnies in the bag. It's just really hard for me to bite the bullet and buy an expensive pair of sunglasses because I usually trash my sunnies. So this is a big step for me, making changes. So yeah, those are my last 2 purchases for the year. They were in exchange because my Recto card holder was faulty, or like, I don't know, I guess it was deemed defective because it was peeling. But yeah, so these are my 2 items that I got with my credit that I had. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you so much to all my OG babes. Mwah, I love you all so much. And also I want to say a big thank you to my new subbies. Thanks for all the support, I love you too. And also don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoy this video, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified of when I upload next. So once again, I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Angel boy, you say that. Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a